In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Conversation View in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox feels cluttered or it's hard to track long email threads, Conversation View can make a big difference. It neatly groups related messages together so you can follow a discussion from the first email to the latest reply without hunting through your folders. Let's walk through how to turn it on and fine-tune a few helpful options. Start with Outlook open on your computer. We'll work from the ribbon at the top of the window. Click the View tab to reveal layout and organization controls for your mailbox. This is where Outlook keeps display options that change how your messages appear. Look for the option labeled Show as Conversations. When you select this, Outlook will ask where you want to apply the change. You can choose to enable it just for the current folder, which is a good choice if you want to try it out in your inbox before committing elsewhere. Or you can apply it to all mailboxes if you prefer a consistent, threaded view across every account and folder you use. Pick the scope that fits the way you work. After you confirm, messages that share the same subject line will stack together as a single conversation, and you'll be able to expand or collapse that thread for a cleaner view. While you're still on the View tab, take a moment to explore conversation settings to tailor the experience. Turning on Show Messages from other folders